Hi guys, this is Bakar with Leads Elite, and today I'm going to show you how Leads Elite leverages LinkedIn to generate leads and connections automatically. It automates your connections, messaging, create a massive network and generate hundreds of new leads for you each month. It's super simple to do. I'm going to go ahead and show you how fast and easy it is. I'm going to open the software. This is the dashboard that contains a whole bunch of data view. Before we create campaigns, we need to set up messaging first. This is the connection request messages. We just need to make it simple, make it easy and simple. And after connection request is accepted, this message would go out. These two low-key non-sales messages are just ideal to introduce you people and then underwrite and sell them down the road. This is where you can add some sales stuff. This would be the third message that would go out as many days after the connection is connected. You can apply the limit here, how many users will get that message based on the limit. And third one is the message. You can add the tags over here. We use the first name tag as F name, we have written over here, and last name tag as L name. So now we are going to go ahead and target our clients. We're going to add new campaign. Job title, let's pretend I'm a commercial state broker. I want to reach out some CEOs out there. So I'm gonna enter the job title. This is the second level connection, and we may select third level, but I have 1,000 of people in my network, so second level connection would be more adequate, and it keeps my level of percentage of acceptance high. We can select the locations, and in this case we will not be selecting any industry. We will be inputting the limit, how many users we want to connect per each run. So whenever that campaign will be processed, 500 connections will be requested, or 500 users will be fetched from the results page. Another important feature on this form is, if you don't want to select these locations, connections and other parameters, you can simply copy the URL which you have inside the LinkedIn, and you can just paste it right over here. So no need to select any other parameters for the search. Just apply the limit and save the campaign. So whenever it will be run, it will be getting that URL which we have pasted in this form, and simple and easy and best approach which we recommend to the users. So you see campaigns are set up. You can select single campaign or multiple campaigns, and then click the process selected campaigns button. If you don't want to use the manual approach, you can use the autopilot. It basically automates all your features automatically. You can use the search leads, click the campaigns which you want to process on the daily basis, import connections if you want to import connections on daily basis from LinkedIn. And then the check pending invitations is feature basically checks the invitation status. If you have sent out like 100 people per day, it will check how many have connected to you or accept the invitation. And the next one is process post connection messages. It basically send out post connection messages to them based on the limit. If you have entered 0, it will process all those results. And then the next one is get contact details. This is basically an interesting feature I will show you on the next screen. And the last one is auto follow-ups. These are the sales messages which we have set up. So just click next to scheduling, select the time when you want to run autopilot, and also make sure that you have unselected this don't start pilot using timer. And then select the number of days when you want to run this autopilot, and just click the save button. So after, based on my settings, after 12 hours and 40 minutes that autopilot will be running itself, and you do not need to be maximize this software. You can minimize it and it will still be running in the background. Also you can log the computer and it will be running, and so no issues on the that you should be having a focus on this application. So I will be showing the many connections page. This is an interesting feature, as I told you. Once details are fetched, you can use the email. You can drop the information into CSV file using export as a CSV file button. And once you have the emails, you can email them using the MailChimp or Salesforce, other CRMs. You can also make them a phone call, and whatever works for you. As you can see, it is quite simple and easy, and just go ahead and download it. Have a great day. Happy connecting, guys. Just make sure you download the software from our website. Also, you can see the pricing. We are offering free promo codes. You can try the software free for 7 days, and also the help videos will help you out. If you have any more questions, you can send us an email and we will be responding to you as soon as possible. Happy connecting. Good luck.